Eric, Peter and John are good friends. They all are farmer. One day they plan to plant apple trees on their farm. They have this is a long-term planning for their retirement plan. Every day, they work very hard in their own farm. They started to plant the apple trees, and they know this is a big project and it's take time. They need few years to get the fruits. After 3 years, Eric decided to do nothing and just wait for the fruits. Peter works in the farm as usual, he watering and fertilizing all the trees. Meanwhile, John keeps asking why the trees are growing so slow and no fruits at all. He has doubt on the project. One day, bad weather hit their farms. The apple trees damaged by the thunderstorm and their farm destroyed partially. Eric continued to do nothing. He let the trees grow by their own way. Peter continues to work hard in his farm. He cleared all the broken branches, keep watering and fertilizing the trees. John started to feel panic. He chopped all the damaged trees and thinking to replant them after the bad weather. After 15 years, Eric is happy. Although he didn't really taking care the apple trees, but he still gets some harvest. Peter has the most harvest from his apple orchard. He gets his reward after so many years' effort. The project works for him. John feels frustrated because he knew that he made the wrong decision by chopping all the trees. He didn't replant the apple trees as his plan. So today he didn't get any harvest from his farm. Moral of the story: if you apply this simple story to your long-term investment plan, would you like to be which character? Eric, Peter or John?